How to use a dictionary. A dictionary is a book that lists all the words of a language and tells us what they mean.
This dictionary has so many words. How will I ever find the word I want?
Don't worry, Aryan. I will show you how to use a dictionary. All the words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. Where do you think you will find the word vote?
I think the word vote should be in the last few pages.
Well done! How did you guess that?
Since the words are in alphabetical order, words starting with V should be towards the end.
Excellent! Let me give you a special tip. Every page in the dictionary has guide words. Guide words are the first and the last word on every page. On this page, these are the guide words.